This is called newhsk.chinese.cn. When I click on that, it opens up that window that you saw before that has the different options. I choose this Li and Shi down here, and it takes a while, but it opens up to this, and then it tells you this is what the test is going to have. You click this. Now down here it's going to ask you whether you want sound or not. I want sound, so I click on the one on the left, and it plays this audio for you, and it says welcome to the HSK. You can skip this by going to this Shaya, and it'll take you right to the test. Some of the items are going to be true false, so they're going to give you a series of statements. You decide whether it's true or false. If you think it's true, you click on this. When you're sure of your answer, then you're going to click on and put a check on that. Then you move on to your next one. Now, because this is the practice mode and you can take as much time as you want, you can pause or stop number one, and when you're done with number one, you think you know it, then you can go on to number two by pressing this forward button. You forward, and here's number two. So this time we're first, it says. I agree with that one. It does it for you twice. I got it. Now I'm going down to number three. I press forward on this. This tells you how much time is going on. I don't think that's what's being said in this one, so I click that. I can listen to it again if I want by hitting play, because it is practice, or I can hit that forward key and go on to number four. Remember, guys, when you finish the answer, I do it before, but when you're done, you put this check mark on to make sure you indicate you're sure of it. So, go ahead. Some of these are going to, right, is this your final answer? When you're ready to go on to a new page, you simply hit this button there. You're going to go all the way. There are 60 total. When you get to 60 and you finish them all, now some of them are more difficult than others. So, for instance, 56 to 60, you're going to be given, and they give you examples in this one here. So you can always see examples when you start a new section. 他在教室里学习. What does that refer to? Well, that's an answer to the question, 他在哪儿呢? 你看见他了吗? Did you see him? And then this is the answer for that. So what you're really doing is you're kind of intuitively pairing up a question or statement here with the reply that is most appropriate here. Remember, when you want to move on to a new question, you click on it and put a check mark on it, and then you click in the box, and it'll tell you what your options are, A, B, C, D, E, or F. So, 可以你住哪儿? So, which one is that a response to? That's about reading a book. That's about the boat. I think the boat's leaving soon. The boat's opening soon. This one is, okay, I want to buy 500 half kilo of this dami, which is rice, right? Dami. Okay, so and this is, can you bring it to me? And this says, 可以你住哪儿? I think that's the one that it fits best with, so I pick C and I put it in there. And again, when I'm done with a page, I go here. Okay, when I'm all done, I go to this one, which is the tally up. It's got the picture of the little piece of paper there, and it'll give me my score. It'll show which ones I've answered. I can go front and back. So this is the ones I have and haven't answered in this particular section. Okay. I can return to the test up there on the right and go and retake the test. When I'm all done and I want to see how I did, I hit this one with the up arrow. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to submit? I hit yes. It's going to take a minute, and then it submits it for me. It's going to total it up. And there it is. There's my final score. I have an 8, which is a 5% score, 4 points out of 100 on the listening portion, 4 points out of 100 on the reading and speaking portion. All right? It tells me how much time it took me to do it, and it tells me my score. And then I can take and make a print-ready version of this by clicking on the printer. This is what I want you to print up for me and bring with you upon your return. I want you to bring this sheet, the printout sheet, with you. Questions about what we're doing?